How's it going, everyone? Welcome back. I'm Adrian. This is Wildhook Adventures. Back at it again. We're out here at beautiful Eagle's Nest. The lake opened up on the 31st. The ice is about 7 to 10 inches from what it said on the report. So you guys always be careful if you guys are going to come out and do some ice fishing. We got everything ready to go. Let's see what we can pull out of here. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the show. My buddy Bobby's fishing for trout. My buddy James is fishing for trout, and my girlfriend is fishing for trout. I want to see if I can catch a pike out of here. Reset this. I set it up on the wrong side, so when the jaw jacker goes to go off, it gets stuck. So, my mistake. Okay. My mistake. Remember, don't keep your face in front of the jaw jacker, because if this thing swings up at you, it's gonna hit you right in the face. That is set up perfect now. I was catching right here with the first eyelid. So now that it's set up this way, it should be better. Alright, let's see what happens. I forgot you don't have a bobber stopper anymore. Then set it. Boom. Tighten up your slack. There you go. Just like that. I did. I just came back from over there. Alright, just sitting here waiting for the jaw jackers to go off. One for pike, one for trout.
Nice. Let that help you up the fight.
I'll reach in there and grab them for you, dreamers.
Oh. Ah, shit.
Did him come off?
I don't know if that's that fish.
Oh, he probably got tangled up on it.
Push that bobber down, will you?
Ooh. He's a big one, James. Don't try to horse him in, just let him take it.
Pull that one out, man.
I'm afraid it might.
Yeah, bobber's gonna stay where it is.
Fucking bobber.
Fighting him for like 15-20 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Here he is. Here he comes. Hold on.
I just need to see his head and I'll grab him.
Got him?
No. He's moving his head.
Okay, all right. All right.
You can scoop him out and throw him my direction.
Get him.
Woo!
There's my breakfast.
Damn, that's a nice one there, Jamers. You're welcome. I'm glad I could help.
And this one went off. You think he...
Something else was biting on that one. Straighten up there, buddy. 22.
Only a 22?
He's only a 22. He seems bigger.
Big.
He weighs 4 pounds. Good job, Jamers. Hell yeah. Finally. Finally. Did you catch him on salmon eggs and waxworms? Huh? Power bait? Let's see what we can do. It's closer to the bank, so I'm gonna have to set up here closer to the bank myself. Beautiful fish there, Jamers. Girthy, big. The meat on these is amazing. The meat on these is amazing. That is a big, big boy right there. Good job, Jamers. Oh, my jaw jacker. Hold my rod. No, he's not that big. Oh! He was right there. Trout. He was small. He was probably about 13. It would have been a nice one to eat. Six feet. Because I had my drag on low, so I can pull it down, and I forgot to reset it to tighten up my drag. So, huh? Could be. He wasn't that big. He looked at least 12 to 13, but I looked back and my jaw jacker's up. I was like, what the hell? I don't remember leaving it that way. Well, that was exciting. I had him and I lost him. That's what I get for not paying attention to it. I had my back to it.
I was gonna ask you, can you put indicator?
You can, but usually you hear the little click, click. That was interesting. I know, but if I don't, I won't see my jaw jacker go off. I just missed one. He got off right at the top of the hole. I almost had him out. Alright, you guys, we had a lot of fun out here. My buddy caught a nice trout out here, and I missed one right at the edge of the hole. He got off my hook and ended up falling back in. Got a couple of bites throughout the day, but nothing too exciting like that last one that I lost. But would have been nice to pull out more. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.